I'd like to start. My name's Bob Sims. I was the president of ASME for the 2014-2015 year. And it's my pleasure to welcome you to today's briefing on the Advanced Manufacturing Committees, Encouraging Innovation and Building the Advanced Manufacturing Economy of the Future. It's a mouthful, but it's an important project. We've convened this in conjunction with the House Manufacturing Caucus, and it's sponsored by ASME. ASME convenes briefings such as this to provide policymakers with expert information on advancements in advanced manufacturing, striving to show that what these developments mean to the U.S. economy and the U.S. workforce. ASME promotes multidisciplinary engineering and allied sciences in the U.S. and around the world. One of our strategic technology-focused areas is advanced manufacturing. And it's our objective today for you to hear from leaders in the field who can supply you with expert information on current manufacturing practices that strive to invigorate our manufacturing base. It's important to note that the presentations you'll hear today represent the views of the presenters who are experts in the field, and they're not necessarily positions of ASME. Manufacturing today is at a crossroads between the outdated manufacturing methods of the past and the new innovative solutions we're working towards today. Advanced manufacturing has been called the next industrial revolution, and I don't think that is an exaggeration. These new advanced manufacturing technologies provide the key to ensuring our nation's lasting position as world leader in technology and innovation, and can only be realized with the support of public-private partnerships that encourage the formation of manufacturing communities that tie together industry, academia, and government with the supply chain and local small to medium-sized manufacturers. This briefing is intended to explore the new frontier advanced manufacturing technologies provide and to better understand how policy can shape the advanced manufacturing economy of the future. I want to mention that we had hoped that the two congressmen who are leaders in this field in the House would be with us today, but unfortunately there are votes on the floor which they somehow believe are more important than what we're doing here. But anyway, they've been detained to do those votes. But I do want to give a brief summary of the bios of those two gentlemen. And in fact, one or two may come in later, and if so, we'll give them a chance to speak. Congressman Tim Ryan represents Ohio's 13th Congressional District and is a strong advocate for manufacturing in Congress and is co-chair of the House Manufacturing Caucus. He founded the Manufacturing Caucus in 2003 to highlight the vital American manufacturing role in the U.S. economy, as well as to educate members and their staff on ways Congress can work together to ensure that America remains the most successful competitor in global manufacturing. Congressman Ryan currently serves on the House Appropriations Committee as well as the Budget Committee, and we hope that he will be with us a little bit later, although I think with everything else that's going on, frankly, that's not too likely at this point. Also want to make a few remarks about Congressman Tom Reed. Tom represents New York's 23rd District as co-chair of the House Manufacturing Caucus. Tom Reed has always been a very strong advocate for manufacturing. He was the lead sponsor of the Revitalize American Manufacturing and Innovation, or RAMI Act, which was signed into law as part of last year's budget deal, establishing the National Network for Manufacturing Innovation, which I hope you will all recognize as NNMI. NNMI plays a vital role in today's discussion as it works to establish manufacturing communities across the country, with 9 established institutes and 4 more underway. And again, I hope he might be able to join us later. I'd now like to introduce today's presenters, and I would like to ask you to hold any questions you might have for the presenters until after all of the speakers have concluded their remarks, and then we'll have a question and answer period after that.